I sold over $1 million as high ticket closer, and I'm not saying this to brag, I'm saying this because I've been a construction worker, stuck in hard labor job, dreaming of way out, and maybe you're in the same position as I was. Maybe you're on your 9 to 5 job, you're watching the clock ticking, and you're just wondering, is this the all life has to offer? And I'm going to tell you that it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I went from construction worker, not knowing anything about sales, to 7-figure high ticket closer. And the best part is, you can achieve that also. I'm going to show you how I learned the art of sales, how I've been able to find first high ticket closing opportunity, how I've been able to scale to 10K a month, and what are the biggest mistakes that newbies make so you can avoid them. Guys, also quick disclaimer, this is not get rich quick scheme. This is a proven concept, it worked for me and thousands of my students. Also, if you're unable to focus, okay, this video, you need to watch until the end if you want to get the value. If you're unable to focus on this video, then it's probably not for you and it's probably better for you to click away. Let's go. Learning sales. How did I approach learning sales? First of all, guys, you need to take it as a professional because you have two choices. You can take sales as amateur, okay, and you're going to get paid as an amateur, or you can take sales as a professional. Show up on time, have high skill level, find great opportunity, follow up with people. Take it as a professional, and I'm promising you, I'm guaranteeing you, you're going to get paid as a professional, okay? It's the mindset. It's the mindset that you're going to enter the world of sales. What specific skills did I been focused on developing the most? First of all is asking questions. You need to be able to ask questions, okay? Because when you have a client in front of you on the call, you need to connect with them because people buy from people they like and trust. So a lot of people take script and they blindly follow the script, okay? They blindly follow questions from the script. In the end, it all sounds like bullshit. But when you actually focus on your client, you're listening to them, okay? You genuinely want to understand their situation because listen, when they're on the call with you, total stranger, they can be a million other places, okay? But they choose to be on the call with you because they have a problem. Now, if you're able to listen to them and ask them the right questions to find out what is the problem, they're going to buy because they're going to understand that you understand them, you present them your solution, they like it, and they will buy. Second, confidence. When you are presenting your offer, you need to present also yourself. You need to project that confidence on your client because if you don't believe in the product or a service you're selling, why would your client believe? I see a lot of people are pitching, It's not how it works. You need to have that confidence. Your words need to flow like water. You need to be fluent when it comes to your words and truly have that belief in the offer and service you're selling. Now, the best way to learn sales. Listen guys, there is a lot of ways to learn how to sell, okay? You can go on YouTube, you can go everywhere, there is free resources. I always say it's like driving a car, okay? Having the guy next to you that is going to guide you through that process because he already did it and he's going to get you from A to Z as fast as possible. It's the same in sales. So find the coach, find the group, find the guy that did what do you want to do. Let's say guy made like 10, 15, 20K a month. You want to get to that goal. Go with him. He's going to show you the way so you're not lost in the ocean of the internet and there is a bunch of free guidance. You're actually following the proven step that brings someone from A to Z. You follow that roadmap, you're going to get that also. This is how I did it. I truly feel like all successful high ticket closer like went through some coaching or having someone that is going to guide them through that process. Now, why choosing the right offer is crucial for your success. Guys, listen, when it comes to finding an offer, you need to be aware that volume is the king, okay? You can be the best closer in the world. You can have your skill set so high that it's incredible, but if you don't have calls on your calendar, if nobody wants to buy the product or a service you're selling, what's the point? So you need to be part of good shit. You need to have opportunity that is going to constantly book you calls on your calendar so you can actually use your skill set and make money. So don't waste time on bullshit opportunities. You actually need to be focused on finding opportunity that is going to provide you with income and volume that you want. Now, what criteria did I use to identify great high ticket like closing offers. First of all, when I go on the interview with people for the job, I always ask them how much you're making per month, because I want to see how much cash is in that opportunity. First of all, then I ask how many closers you have on board. Like if they say we have 2-3 closers, that's great, because there is a volume, right? It's showing you there is a volume. Now I always ask, how much is your best, like I'm really competitive person, how much would you say your best closer is making per month? This is a great way, because when you're on the interview, guys, you don't want to beg for opportunity. You don't want to beg, you want to position yourself as authority. So when you are on the interview, you want to be competitive. You want to show them that you're actually hungry. So how much is your best closer making per month? They say like 10-15 grand. What is it telling you? Okay, this is a position where you can make that kind of money and more. So you need to qualify them also, because you don't want to waste your time on bullshit opportunities. Now, how did I find offers like this? So the best way for me to actually find great high ticket closing opportunities is Instagram, it's YouTube, it's Upwork, and the best way, all time great, is having the right network. Okay, Instagram, because all the influencers are there. You know, Instagram, it's like the biggest marketplace in the world right now. There is a bunch of influencers, people are selling, people are building the personal brands. I mean, there is hundreds of thousands coaches and consultants onto Instagram. YouTube, it's amazing, because in YouTube the quality of audience is through the moon. And still you have a bunch of people there that are, you know, fitness, dating, marketing, consulting spaces where they're posting long form content, people consume them, they like their brand, and obviously in the backend they have offer to sell. Upwork is the great marketplace where you can see offers for setters, for closers coming out every single day, new ones. So it's great. Actually, I made most of my money through Upwork. Great website. You just need to be consistent with it and be patient with Upwork when you find a great one, because listen, you don't need 15 opportunities to make 10k a month. You need one. You are only one opportunity away to get your goals. Only one. And as I said, all-time great is network. Having the right network, having someone that is going to recommend you to someone. This is the power of coaching programs. You know, when people are in high-level coaching programs, you're not just getting the knowledge, you're getting all the access to all these people that are making 5, 10, 15, 20 grand a month, people that are on the beginning, the coaches, the mentor. You're all in the same circles right now, and maybe somebody needs a closer, maybe somebody needs a setter, maybe this, maybe that. He recognizes you that you're really good, you know, on the role plays. He presents you to his coach. You get the opportunity. Network is the most powerful way of getting opportunities. Okay, be part of good network, know the right people, and you're never ever going to lack the money. Now, how many potential clients do I approach per day when I start high ticket closing, you know, when I want to find the first gig? I would say 20 a day. Like, you can go like 10, somebody say 50, somebody say 100. I say 20 a day because I have specific way of approaching the opportunities, okay? I do it in a way that I am not copy pasting the messages. I am not sending the messages and begging for a job. I'm actually approaching it with my phone and with my selfie video, and actually introducing myself to every single person I potentially want to work with. So I take my time to actually do outreach properly. 20 a day, be consistent with it, and I'm guaranteeing you, you are going to get the opportunity. As I said, you need only one. Only one. That's it. Only one opportunity. How long did it take me to land my first client? Listen, so when I started high ticket closing, I didn't know anything. My English was 2 out of 10 when I started high ticket closing. 2 out of 10, barely speaking English, but I was all in. As I said in the first part, I took it as a professional. I took it truly as a professional, and I went all in. After 3 months, I got my first part-time closing role, and I was making more money on that role part-time than when I was making on my construction job. So 3 months period. Now, it can fluctuate. Some people, I see some people coming in and start working after a month. I see also some people need a little bit more time. It's all up to you. It's up how hungry you actually are and how much you're willing to put into work. So that's basically it, because there is abundance of opportunities out there and people need high ticket closers. Scaling to 1 million a month cash collected. Now, how did I leverage my success to scale my income? Listen, I always push for better opportunities. I never stay in the same place because I always wanted more. When you are a high ticket closer and you're starting closing deals and you know your worth, you're always trying to find better and better and better roles. Because guys, making a lot of money high ticket closing is actually easy. It's having the right skill set, okay? Having good skill set, having the right opportunity. If one opportunity is providing you with this amount of calls, you can only make this amount of money, okay? But if you find the opportunity that's going to provide you with double volume, you're going to make more money. So I wasn't never in the same place. I was always trying to find a way to scale my income, find the better opportunities. As I said, network with people, go on Upwork. And the biggest thing that I always say, I did it like that. You have enter opportunity. Maybe you're making like 2, 3, 4 grand a month with the first opportunity. Don't stop looking for other opportunities, because you always want to progress. You always want to climb that mountain. If your goal is 15k a month, 20k a month, walk into that goal. Just climb the ladder. Always search, always network with people, find good coaches, and you're going to get to 15, 20k a month like this. How did I approach negotiation when it comes to higher commission? Actually, in one of the offer I was selling for one truly famous fitness coach, I had 15% commission. It's really simple, because when you bring a lot of money into the company, what they're gonna say? Listen guys, you are valuable. You are bringing money into the company. You are the one that is bringing the cash into business. If there is no cash into the business, there is no business, okay? So if you see that you are valuable, first of all, you are in the quotation, you have like 10% commission, and you need to perform. You cannot go and search for 15% without you being capable of doing it and not proving your skill set. So first of all, prove your skill set, bring a bunch of money to the company, then go to the boss and say them, hey boss, you see how do I perform? You see how much money I make? Can we raise my commission like for 2%? You start with 2%. He can say yes, of course, 2%. Then you bring more money, then you ask for more 2%. And if you're truly talent and he sees that you're actually bringing the value, he's going to give you higher commission. And how everything changed my life, like guys, it's changed my life a lot. Like I'm financially free. I have a network of millionaires. I drive the best cars. I eat the best food. All that material stuff, it's here. But I'm truly going to say it's not about destination. It's about journey. It's truly about journey. It's truly about you climbing the mountains every single day. Because now somebody would sit in my position, okay, this is the success, I don't need to work for it anymore, this is it, like this is the peak of my potential. For me, it's not. I'm always going to climb that ladder. But what can I say? It's freedom. In the end of the day, it's freedom, what I have right now, and freedom, it's priceless. You cannot buy freedom in yourself. I don't need to wake up for a boss. I don't need to work on a job that I hate. I don't need to be with the people that I don't like. I don't need to speak with the people that I don't want to speak to. Literally, I can choose my environment. I can choose people around me. I can serve people. I can give money to charity. I can provide my parents with the money. I can help people. And having that freedom, it's the most beautiful thing in the world. And this is truly what high ticket closing is going to give in your life if you take it as professional. So that's exactly how I went from working at construction job to closing $1 million as high ticket closer. Guys, you can achieve that. If I was able to achieve it, you can achieve that also. But listen, if you want to pursue it by yourself, you're going to see a lot of roadblocks down the road, because you see how many moving pieces there is to become a high ticket closer. Now guys, if you're truly serious, if you truly want to break free, if you truly want to get rid of your 9-to-5 job and get that freedom, you can go into description and book a free call with me personally. So I'm personally going to be on that call. We're going to make a roadmap that is going to get you step by step to your first 5 to 10k a month in commission as high ticket closer. If you're serious, if you truly want to go all in, if you truly want to take it as a professional, click the link down below, book a call, and I see you there. I love you all. Bye.